In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save any post on Facebook and then come to it later or anytime you want with ease. So my name is Isaac, and if you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now I have here a Facebook post. So you can do this on any post or any page that you find favorite. Just go ahead and grab the post that you want to save. For instance, I'll grab this. And once you have clicked on the post, go ahead and tap on these three dots. And now down here, you can see we have an option to save. So we are told that if we tap on this, we shall add this on our saved items. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And you can either choose either to save for later, favorite, or just go ahead and create a collection folder where you can save them. I'll just save to later, and it has been saved for later. So should you want to retrieve your saved post and maybe go through it later, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile here by tapping on your image on the right corner here, on the top right corner here. And then under it, you'll see we have this option called saved. If you go ahead and tap on it, now here you'll be able to see all the posts that you saved. So if you click on any and then tap on it, now you can see it has opened the post that we had saved. So that's how you save any post from any group or any page or any account on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.